It's fantastic to be here at the National Plant Protection Centre in Bhutan and to be working with our colleagues here to help to provide a workshop around genomic analysis and bioinformatics.
Bioinformatics training that is currently happening here in the center. It is going to enhance the knowledge of the plant protection officers, which we can use that for analyzing the complex genomic data, which is very important for rapid identification of pests and diseases, and also to identify the crop varieties which contains pest and disease resistance traits.
As of now, we are trying to just use the PCR and then microscope to, and also our visual observations to just see the pest and disease symptoms, but we are not able to identify what are the changes in these pathogens, maybe changes in the pathotypes. So with the use of this bioinformatics training, we may be able to identify the changes in the pathotypes, maybe also identify the resistance, those things we could do with the bioinformatics training.
Since we just did agriculture studies while we were in the university, so we never studied R and all, and then it's quite difficult for us to catch up.
Bioinformatics is really important because everything these days we do in biology impinge upon knowing what the genomic basis or at the genetic level, what is driving that particular mechanism or particular phenomena or a phenotype that you're working on.
Wheat is the third most widely cultivated cereal in Bhutan. As of now, we do not have much information on our land races, although we have several exceptions as high as around 24 as of now, but we do not have genomic information on those land races. This analysis will help us identify one of the resistant genes that could be used for the breeding program.
By developing their own skills in bioinformatics, it allows the researchers to maintain complete ownership of the analysis of these wheat land races. Although we've been helping them with sequencing the land races, they can now take the lead in analysing data that's been generated.
But now I understand a little bit, so I'm planning to explore more and then keep on practicing.
The JSC has helped us a lot in the wheat disease surveillances, and also trained us in multiple technology and also the bioinformatics. So coming to the collaboration with the Science Bureau Lab, we are looking forward to work with them specifically in identification of our pathogens and maybe biocontrol agents.
It's really important for TSL and GIC to provide this kind of training because we have accumulated so much expertise and cutting-edge knowledge that during our research that we want to share this knowledge, and we want to also make sure that other laboratories around the world can use our techniques and methods to apply to their organisms, so that that will be benefit to their own countries and they can be prosper in their research endeavors.